As citizens, we're all responsible and required to follow the law. And if we break the law, there'll be consequences. We all know this, but one thing you need to understand if you've been charged with a criminal offense is that the police also have to follow the law. If the police break the law in the pursuit of you, or in your case, for example, a sting operation, a solicitation investigation, then you may be able to use the defense of entrapment. Now, what does entrapment mean? Well, there's two types of entrapment in the state of Florida that the law recognizes. There's objective entrapment and subjective entrapment. Objective entrapment is basically a situation where the law enforcement conduct in the undercover sting operation was so outrageous that it can't be condoned, and the case could be thrown out on that basis. Subjective entrapment, on the other hand, is a little bit different. And basically, with subjective entrapment, we're looking at the police officer's action in conjunction with the undercover operation. So, with subjective entrapment, if the police officer encourages a person to commit a crime, actually trying to create crime, and that person wasn't predisposed to commit the crime, then you could be found not guilty even though technically you committed the offense that you were charged with. The way this works is if the state can prove that you committed the crime, for example, the solicitation or the drug sale, but then you can turn around and show by a preponderance of evidence that the police encouraged you to commit the crime or induced you to commit the crime, and that you weren't ready to commit it. In other words, you weren't predisposed to commit it, then you could be found not guilty even if you technically committed the crime. It's important that these issues be brought up because, again, the police should follow the law just like everyone else.
If we have not answered your specific questions in this video or the rest of the videos and information on our website, please contact us for a free consultation. We believe that you have too much at stake not to protect your legal rights.